This is a review for WP Traffic Machine. It is a plugin that is supposedly for social network auto posting, and it will automatically share your WordPress posts to different social media networks. I have tried this plugin along with numerous other plugins, and unfortunately this one doesn't work either. At first I loaded up, it says it's to 10 social media networks, so you can see them right here. After you add the plugin, there's a little spot down here in the corner, Traffic Machine. This is all the settings. General settings, there's nothing there, just some number of items to post every so many minutes. This is default at 5 and 15. I changed it because something went wrong, and now I have millions of posts on all my social networks that I connected that I need to go through and delete. So, I've had this up for about a half an hour, and it just created about 2 more hours of work for me. So that's great. Major downfall. I guess that WP Traffic Machine is a plugin that should only be added to new sites, so not for use on existing websites. It's used for a fresh install only, would be my guess. So basically, you just click on this and then you enable your Facebook sharing, you get your app ID, your secret key, and then you select a page to have it share to, and then you can add any additional tags down here. Then it'll automatically share. Same thing with Twitter, enable, get your keys, tokens, etc. And then it has all these other ones. Downfall of this, again, it doesn't have Blogger, which is huge. It doesn't have Google+. StumbleUpon isn't on there. So those are 3 that would really be nice to have. In addition, it doesn't have the ability to share to and connect multiple accounts, so I can't connect a personal Facebook account and a business account, or I can't have 2 different Pinterest accounts or Reddit accounts. In addition, like let's say, so right now I have it on sharing to the Guide to Deception Pinterest board. I can't share it. If I want one post to go to the Guide to Deception board, but maybe I want another one to go to board XYZ, I'd have to change it within this settings and then have it share, and then go back in the settings again and change it back to what I want it, which then that takes away from the auto posting, because the goal of an auto poster is to set and forget. So it works. It set, it shared and it posts well, whereas a lot of the other plugins don't post very well. They grab the wrong content, XYZ, whatever. So here it does grab the right content. So you see I shared it to the page, and here it says, Deception Tip 35, how to detect deception, nice image, nice meta text, published. This is one that I shared manually a long time ago, okay? As you can see, 81 people reached, so it's old, shared on September 1. Now here we get to the problem. Check this out. Published by guidedeception.com 52 minutes ago. So here's the one that the Traffic Machine posted and shared. Posted this one. Posted this one. Look at 52 minutes, so same time. Look at all these. It basically started from the newest post, Deception Tip 35, and went all the way back, and look at all these. It published every single post that was on my blog to my Facebook. Now luckily I caught it when it got to 22, so 24 minutes ago. Otherwise it would have posted from 22 all the way down to 1, and every single other post that I had on there. So basically, Traffic Machine, if you put it on your WordPress site, it will post all of your old posts to your social media networks. So that's a huge downfall, especially if you've already had them posted, because now you're going to have double. And there's no way to change that. And then another thing, this general settings, you have to manually select number of items to post every so many minutes. So that means if you have a new post scheduled to post, it schedules, and you have this set for, maybe you could do it every once, figure out how many minutes are between each of your scheduled posts and do one item every so many minutes. That would maybe work. But that's a hassle. You don't want that. So the WP Traffic Machine, I think, must be made to work with this other plugin called WP Content Machine, which it grabs content and automatically drips content to your blogs from YouTube, Facebook, wherever else. And then Traffic Machine must work in conjunction with that. So as it posts content from somewhere else, Traffic Machine automatically shares it. So it must not be a standalone working plugin. Bottom line, if anyone who's looking to automatically share new content or new posts to your social media networks, Traffic Machine is not the plugin for you. If you're looking for a plugin to automatically share all of your old posts to social media, Traffic Machine would work excellent, because you could just set, you want one post every 15 minutes or 5 posts every 15 minutes or whatever, and it would post all of your old posts to a social media network. So if you get a new Facebook account and you say, man, how am I going to get all my old posts on there? Well, get Traffic Machine and configure it, and it'll automatically post all of your old posts. But it isn't for new posts. It doesn't work very well for new posts. And you don't have a lot of options. Like I said, you can't select your meta text, you can't add multiple accounts, you can't tell it where it's going to post. So if you have multiple Facebook pages or Pinterest boards, you'd have to manually change that each and every time, which is a drag. It doesn't have the Google Plus, doesn't have StumbleUpon, Blogger, so several disadvantages. But if it works for you, then it works for you. But it's not what most people will be looking for. So again, if anyone has any social media, social network auto posters that work with WordPress blogs, type them down there in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. We'll make a review and get them going.